Concrete is hard to beat for its strength, durability, and longevity. But to perform reliably, it needs to be structurally sound. One of the most common problems when it comes to concrete is cracking. When water penetrates a crack, it can cause structural issues and shorten the life of the concrete. If concrete has deep cracks or significant surface damage, you'll need to repair those areas before top coating or resurfacing. The repair method used depends on the type of crack. If the crack is a static crack or one that isn't moving, a high-quality polyurea sealant is recommended. A polyurea is semi-rigid and self-leveling, which is ideal for repairing and stabilizing horizontal cracks. Its high solids formula is durable enough to support heavy wheel traffic, with good wear resistance and the strength to reduce further stress cracking. CrackBond JF311 is perfect for repairing static cracks. This self-leveling, low-viscosity system protects joint edges from spalling. Treated joints can be open to traffic in as little as 90 minutes. And it's available in VOC-compliant formulations. Some cracks are dynamic or always moving due to temperature changes over time and require a polyurethane sealant. Polyurethane sealants typically have greater elongation properties than polyureas, allowing them to expand or contract as the temperature fluctuates. Loxon 1SL polyurethane sealant is ideal for restoring dynamic cracks. This elastomeric polyurethane cures to a flexible, rubber-like consistency. It adheres well to a wide variety of substrates and can accommodate up to 70% joint movement. It's also VOC compliant nationwide and can be painted after it's fully cured. If the crack is less than 1/32 to 1/4 inch wide, there are two ways to repair it using the following tools: a caulk gun, sealant, 4-inch scraper, and a backer rod or silica sand. Before getting started, make sure the surface is clean, dull, dry, and sound. Consult your local Sherwin-Williams store or sales rep for surface preparation recommendations or refer to the surface prep video in this series. The first option is to slightly overfill the crack with a sealant. Allow it to cure for about an hour. Then shave off the excess with a 4-inch scraper so it's flush with the surface. Application of the sealant should not exceed 1/2 inch in depth. Depending on the width and depth of the crack, it may be appropriate to use a backer rod or silica sand as a filler, leaving 1/2 inch depth for the sealant. If you're planning to coat the surface or apply a broom finish after the repair, it's better to underfill the crack. While the sealant is still wet, broadcast silica sand over the surface to give the repaired area some texture and enhance bonding to the finish coat. Allow the sealant to dry completely and blow off any excess sand before top coating. If the crack is greater than 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide, you'll repair it in a slightly different way using a caulk gun, the proper sealant, a dustless angle grinder or crack chasing saw with a U or V-shaped diamond blade, and a dry tool. Start by routing and cleaning the crack with a chase saw. Blow out any loose particles. Then apply the sealant. If you're not using a self-leveling sealant, you may need to tool the sealant to properly fill a wider horizontal crack. Now the repaired concrete surface can be top-coated with a variety of Sherwin-Williams stains, sealers, and coatings to not only protect but beautify the concrete surface. With the right information and a few basic tools, you can repair most cracks and give aging concrete a fresh appearance that's safe, attractive, and stands the test of time.